Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create underwater effect on CapCut application. Okay, let's get started. Here I have prepared my project on my CapCut application and I'm going to create underwater effect on this video. First thing first, guys, we can add the underwater video effect to our video. We can go to the effect section right here and choose the video effect. In this video effect, we need to go to the light effect. This one, light effect category, and just search for the water reflection effect. You can scroll down to find this water reflection effect. Just click on this effect and then the effect will be applied to your video. And we can adjust the effect. We can adjust the speed, size, and filter, color, and also the twist. And I'm going to increase the speed and this size as well. Once you're done, you can click on this check mark and you can make this effect align with your video. And to make it more natural, I'm going to add sound effect to this video. We can go to the audio and select sound effects. And I'm going to search for the underwater sound effect. Just type the underwater. And then you can choose the suitable sound effect for your video. I'm going to select this one, guys. This one. And I'm going to click on this plus button to add this effect to my video. Okay, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can create underwater effect on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.